everyone, this is Prashant here and welcome to my channel Food and Travel. Guys, if you are a non-veg and if you love to have meat and that also daily, but you don't feel like preparing the meat every day, right? Then this video is gonna be for you, because in this video I'm gonna show you how to make meat pickles. That way you can store the meat and have them whenever you like. You can store them for almost around 1 month or even more than that. So let's go and check out the recipe how to make the meat pickles. Okay, so here I'm using 1 kilo of meat. You can take any kind of meat, whichever you like. It can be chicken, mutton, pork, beef, buff, whatever you like. The process will be almost similar. If it is a red meat, then make it whistle for 3 times. If it is not a red meat, then make it whistle only for 1 time. So the first thing what we need to do here is, whatever meat it is, you need to put it inside the pressure cooker first. Then for 1 kilo of meat, you need to put 250 grams of ginger. And put salt as per your taste. And make it whistle for 3 times. After making it whistle for 3 times, let it cool down. And then, now you can open the lid. So by opening the lid, now you need to cook this until all the water get dry up. You don't need to pour out the water, because all the taste of the meat that is in that water. So if you pour out the water, then the meat will be tasteless. So you need to cook until all this water get dry up, so that all the moisture contained in the meat get dry up. We need to cook this in high flame. Now after a few minutes, as you can see here, that the meat is almost dry. So now we need to lower the flame and then again cook this. So after cooking for a few minutes, now as you can see, the color of the meat has been changed into light brown. So now it's time to turn off the gas. Let it cool down in the pressure cooker itself, and then now we're going to heat up the oil in another pan. So for making pickles, we need lots of oil. But the oil, it also depends upon the day how long you're going to store the meat. So for suppose if you're going to store the meat for more than 1 month, then for 1 kilo you need to put at least 250 ml of oil. If you're going to eat this up within 1 week, then you can just use 150 ml of oil. That will be more than sufficient. So I'm not going to store this for a long time, so I won't be using that much of oil. And first we're going to fry some garlic. Now after frying the garlic for some time, now you can add the meat. Okay, so now we'll put the meat and start frying. Okay, so now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or you can go for 2 spoons also if you want to make it a little hot. But I prefer putting only 1 spoon of red chili powder, because I'm going to put extra chili here. So this way, you need to fry this for almost around 5 to 10 minutes until the color changes into dark brown. After completely cooling it down by taking out in one plate and then by spreading out the meat, now when the meat is completely cool, that time you can store it in one container, any container whichever you like, and then you can put it inside your refrigerator. This way you can use the meat depending upon how much oil you put. If you're putting the amount of oil which I'm using, then you can use this for around 10 to 15 days. And if you're using more than this, then as I told you, if you're using more than 250 ml of oil, or maybe something around 250 ml, then you can store this for more than 1 month. So I have already stored the meat here. Here it is. So you can have this whenever you like. If you love meat, then this way you can have meat whenever you like. If you think my video is helpful, then please do give me a like and please do subscribe to my channel.